Welcome to how to use STYLPRO's mini microcurrent facial toning device. Before using, make sure your face is clean and moisturised. You can then apply your favourite serum on the face and neck area. To turn on your device, long hold the on button at the front and a red light will appear. There are 3 settings in total on your microcurrent device. The 3 settings indicate the frequency of the microcurrent. Short press the button at the front to change the microcurrent settings. There are a total of 3 settings on your mini microcurrent. We always recommend to start on number 1 and build up over time. Press the 2 metal spheres into the face and run along the jawline, the cheekbone, forehead and neck area. The firmer you press the device into the skin, you will feel higher frequencies and it will give a more toned appearance to the face. Enjoy a 10-minute session and your face will appear more chiseled. Long press the button at the front to turn off the device and gently wipe with a damp cloth. To charge your device, simply plug in the cable provided. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, email teamtom@styleideas.com.